Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. Myself Sahil Yadav, and this is our lecture 4. We are doing solid characterization and handling, that is chapter number 1 of our subject Mechanical Unit Operation in Chemical Engineering. In last lecture, we have seen the basic of particle shape and its importance. In this video, we are going to further take that topic, that is of particle shape. So in order to define particle shape, we require many terms. So first term that we will be requiring is circularity. So let us see what is circularity. In order to define shape, we define shape in the form of circular. How much circular is the thing is. So the term circularity is important because what we have is three types of shape determination, like intuitive, normalized, and third is sensitive. So in order to define shape in terms of normalized way, like the object is similar to circle, like how much is the resemblance between the particle and circle, so that is defined as circularity. Like how much percentage of our particle is circle, is resembling as a circle. So that is what we call as circularity. In chemical engineering term, we can define it as a ratio of perimeter of circle divided with the same area, okay, divided by the perimeter of a particle, right? So perimeter of a circle divided by perimeter of a particle. Both should have same area. Like circle having a area of 1 meter square, then a particle should have average area of 1 meter square also. Then the ratio of their circumference or ratio of their perimeter will give you circularity, right? So from this image, I hope this mouse may not be visible. Okay, so from this image you can say that this round thing is this round is this thing is first, this, let us name this as 1, this as 2, and this as 3. So the number 1 thing is circular, and number 2 thing is somewhat less circular, and this number 3 is somewhat more less circular. All right, so what we can say from all those three things is the circularity remains constant in all those three things, because if you believe that this is a circle, then this is also a circular particle, and if you believe that this is also a circle, then this is also a circular particle. So if you see this ratio of perimeter of circle with the same area of the, if the area is same, then you will see that circularity or the roundness is constant, right? So this is the formula of circularity, please note it down. That is circle circumference divided by perimeter of projected particle image, which is equal to 2 times root of area of particle divided by perimeter of particle, right? So let us see an example. Suppose this black thing is our particle. So what you can do, you can divide it into this rectangular shape, and then you can calculate its area. Then what you have to do, you have to make a circle of the same area. So how will you make a circle? So you know area of particle, so area of particle divided by pi, that is 3.14, and taking a root of area of particle divided by pi will give you a this radius of a circle. So by that, please make a circle. Please note it down whatever I am speaking. So what you have to do, you have to first calculate area of particle by using this graphical method, which you have to create rectangles, and then calculate the approximate area of particle. Once you are done calculating area of particle, what you have to do, area divided by pi and taking a root. So root of area divided by pi, whole root of area divided by pi will give you a radius. You have to create a circle of that radius, right? So of that radius, if you create a circle, you will get the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi into r. So keep it on the top of this. And in order to determine the perimeter of particle, you can take the outer boundary of a rectangular shape that you have created. Like in this image, we have created this black spots are outer part, right? So dividing both of them will give you circularity. So that is so simple. Like for the example of this shapes. So first is circle. So circularity is 1. Second is rectangular. This is square. So for square, circularity is 0.886, right? So for this square, circularity is 0.886. How you have to calculate? The same way as we have discussed right now. Third is triangle, which is 0.77% circular. You can remember all those values because they can be directly asked. Then we have a rectangle, that is also having circularity 0.66. This is smaller rectangular 0.509, that is smaller thin layered rectangular shape which is having less circularity, right? So this is how we calculate circularity, and this is very important in chemical engineering mechanical unit operation because of circularity we have different properties like we have discussed in previous video. All right, so thank you for watching. Stay connected. In next video we will see what is convexity.